ito dalawa. Meron pa ano, second lane tayo. Kaya yung broken line na yan, susundan mo lang yan. Dalawang yan. Two lanes consecutively making a left turn. So follow your lane lang. Yan yung sinasabi ng bawal ka mag-change lane inside an intersection. Pag nasa lane 2 ka, sundan mo lang yung lane 2 mo. Ayun na, let's go. Follow your lane lang. Wag kang lalabas diyan. Oh, keep your speed. Yan, ganyan lang. It's good yan. Okay, balik na. Never go
miles,
over.
At the light, use the middle lane to turn
change
left
lane
to
to the
merge
left.
onto CA1 South toward Pacifica.
Yun, dito na tayo sa second lane from left. Pag sinabi lang second lane from left, lane 1, lane 2. Ayan, green arrow.
Then
Let's go.
keep right. Merge onto
Keep
CA1
moving.
toward
It's alright.
Pacifica.
Okay, no gas sa middle, no gas. No, put your foot on the brakes. Keep your lane. Dito lang, keep your lane. Okay, let's go straight. Cancel. Naka high beam ka. Yan. Alright, keep dito. Pag galing ka ng left, keep left lang. Okay, let's go. Dito ka lang sa left side. Pag sinabing left side, dito ka sa side na to. Never go sa middle agad-agad. Hintayin mo mag-merge yan. Okay, you're still good. Okay, yung gas mo, off the gas. Huwag ka magbe-brake ng sudden braking ha. It's okay, huwag ka mag-alala. Okay, let's keep going straight. Huwag ka magbe-brake. Okay, turn signal to the left. Turn signal to the left. Turn signal to the left. To the left. Put gas na, put gas. Turn signal to the left. Left, naka-right ka. Yan, it's okay lang. Huwag kang mag-aalala.
Continue straight. Then use the right 2 lanes to take exit 508A onto CA35 South and Skyline.
Follow your lane. Nasa freeway ka. Ikaw lang yan. Huwag kang mag-aalala. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Follow your lane.
Mile, take exit 508A onto CA35 South and Skyline Boulevard.
Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Follow your lane. Dito doon. Huwag masyado mabilis ang kabig. Dito lang. Yan. Nighttime driving with Miss Angelica. Wow.
Malakas niya lang yung loob ko. Pero yung totoo.
Hindi ata mo nag-freeway tayo. Totoong nangyari. Freeway ka. 1, 2, 3. Start your car halfway. Ayan. Pag nakailaw na yon, that started your car halfway na yan. Okay, so please turn on your park lights, headlights, high beam, cancel, step on the brakes, doll shoes, off the brakes, turn signal to the left, to the right, cancel, windshield wiper. Alright, okay, please turn on your emergency parking lights. Sige lang, turn it on and off. Point at your defrosters, please. Peace. Alright, again, please show me or point at your emergency parking brakes. Okay, finally, show me your hand signals.
Left, right, stop or slow down.
Alright. Start the car. Pag sinabing start the car, step on the brakes, push 1 time. Let's go. Alright, please back up. Right, please. Ilang stop?
2.
Alright, make sure you traffic check talaga. Let's go make a right. Make sure, tingin lang ng tingin. Make sure you go to your correct lane. Huwag kang pupunta doon. Okay, this is good. Pero you have to make sure na walang parating. So you have to make sure na pag right turn mo, nandun ka na sa correct lane mo, na hindi ka na mag-struggle going back. Alright, let's go straight. At the stop sign, let's go make a right turn, please. How many stops? Let's go straight, please. Okay, please keep left. Oh, keep left. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. Okay, bagsak na yon. Kaya, make sure tama yung turns. Okay, green. Okay, once it turns green, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta magle-left turn. Diba?
Ito, isa din ba ito sa sinasabi ng yield?
Yeah, that's left turn yield on green. Pag nag-green yan, walang arrow, it means you have to wait. Ang palagi mong binabantayan yung nandoon
Sa
na,
tapat ko?
yeah, hindi. Yung katapat mo, going left din yan. So, pwede kayo magsabay. Ang binabantayan mo yung nandoon. Ayun o yung kotse. Okay, now you go straight ahead. Sa middle ka pupunta. Let's go. Middle ka. Tingin ka doon. Malayo. Okay. Pag wala, you have to go. Ayun o. Ito yun o. Yung lane na yan. Pag wala, you can go. Kasi yan lang ang kalaban mo dyan. At saka pedestrian lane. Yan ang tinitignan mo. Mga pedestrian crossings. Okay, ayun o. Pag nagbi-blink yellow yan, ano ibig sabihin?
Anong ibig sabihin?
Merong tatawid. Since wala na, nakatawid na siya. Okay, for example, may tumatawid. Saan kayo hinto?
Dito sa
Shark's Teeth. Okay, let's go keep right, please. Dito, Daly City or kahit saan, pare-paras lang yan. Okay, let's go make a right, please. Oh, don't stop, don't stop. Okay, just go to your correct speed, 10 miles. No gas, put your foot on the brakes. Sige lang, put your foot. Pagdating mo sa gitna, you go put gas. Yan, palaging. Okay, at the corner, let's go make a left. Yan, dapat tama ang, saan ka hihinto? Dito sa may manhole. Doon ka sa Shark's Teeth kung may tumatawid. Pag ganyan, sino mauna sa inyo? Sila. Dito ka lang, hindi ka pwede sa gitna. I mean, ito yung lane ano, dalawa yan, left and right. Nandito ka lang sa left. Kasi yung mga papuntang diretso, they can just go dito sa right. Okay, let's go make a left. Let's go straight. At the stop sign, let's go make a right turn, please. Ilang stop?
Isa.
Don't hesitate. Yan, tama, isa lang. Yan, Yan, mabagal lang ang exam dito. Alam mo, maganda na yung galaw mo na ang daming ang ang daming ang naitulong nung ano.
Hindi nga ako
Tama yan.
nakakatulong, hindi nakukuyat.
Tama yung galaw mo. Okay. Ang gagawin mo na lang is awareness, di ba? Kasi may mga ibang sasakyan din eh. Okay, dito sa left na to, let's go make a left turn. Sino mauna? Slow down ka. Left turn, di ba? Sino mauna?
Ako.
Sila.
Ay, sila ba?
Kasi straight. Parang left turn yield on green yan. You have to make sure na doon ka sa correct lane mo. Ayan. Pag may sasakyan dyan, sino mauna sa inyo?
Sila.
Ikaw.
Ay, ako.
Yes. Kasi nasa main road tayo. Ito, nasa kanto sila. Ito.
What do you want me to do?
Okay, it's up to you. Sige lang. You have to go around. Tapos, dito ka lang. Balik ka ulit. Yeah, over the shoulder pa rin yan. Pero you have to make sure na yung galaw mo precise. Yung hindi ka parang mabagal.
Straight lang.
Let's go straight lang. Yan, may stop sign yan. Mayan. Ikaw, wala. Okay, so ito, train yan. Train. Pag yan nagbi-blinking red, stop ka dito. Okay, just go around it, please. Slow down ka. Turn signal lang yan. Turn signal, go around it. Yan. Basta every time, tingnan mo, nagkabalik-balik ko na ikaw. Ganon ka lang, yung hand to hand mo. Basta make sure na hindi ka naiipit na ganon dahil may minus sa steering. Let's go make a right. Anong wala? Turn signal. Yan, tama yung 2-stop mo. Wala kang turn signal nga lang. Ayun lang, ganyan lang. Before you go, dapat traffic check ka. Bakit? Kasi nga kailangan makita mo yung incoming na dito. Let's go, Mika. Yan, sige lang. You have to keep going. You have to keep going. Ano speed mo? 30. Kasi business area siya. Yung FedEx na yan, hindi siya totally naka-obstruct. Pero since matatamaan mo yung yellow, ganon, then bumalik ka, huwag kang pupunta sa gitna. Okay, at the light, let's go make a right turn. Then pasok ka sa first broken line. Pag nandito ka, slow down ka na to 5 to 10 miles per hour. Yun,
Pwede mag-turn na back or
ayan, let's go make a right. Okay, no gas muna yan, no gas. 993. Kasi right is to right. Dapat right is to right ka. Ayan, let's go straight, please. Let's go straight. Okay, ano pa? Follow your dividing line. Ayun, dividing line, didikitan mo yan. Kasi dito may bus dyan. Dito ka, dikit mo yan. Yan, ganyan. Alright. Ayan, pag may tumatawid, makikita mo malayo, shark's teeth lang yan. Okay, please change lane to the left. Dahan-dahan lang. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yun, 5 yung counts nun. Let's go straight, please. Kasi kitang-kita na nila, malayo pa lang. Tinitingnan na nila yung mga daan. So huwag ka mag-aalala, hindi ka nila ipapahamak. Okay, ulit tayo. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder, tingin pa rin sa harap. Yung 5, yung actual changing lanes. Dali na yan. Ang laki ng improvement mo nga halatang halata yung galaw. Tayo. Watching the videos work. Iba talaga yung galaw kasi yung traffic check na lang kitang-kita mo na yung traffic check. Let's go straight, please.
Saka nakaka-inspire din yung mga nag-test na nakakapasa.
Oo.
Kung kaya nila, kaya ko din.
Oo. Kayang-kaya yan. At saka maraming pumapasa na 0. Ibig sabihin nag-start sila from 0 talaga. Nag-practice, talagang gusto nilang pumasa. Okay, keep left please. Pag narinig mo yung keep left, turn signal left. Left.
Ano ba?
Pagdating dito, we're going to make a left turn. Ano ang una mong titignan pag left turn at traffic light?
Ay, yung signal tsaka mirror and over.
Yun yung arrow mo. Let's go. Make a left. So it means pag arrow yan, you can go. Yan, let's go. I-release mo lang siya. Yan, ang ganda. Let's go straight. Alright. Okay, at the stop sign, we keep going straight, please. Mas komportable ka dito, Mateo. Nung kasi sa daily, may hili
parang
doon.
medyo masikip din.
At the stop sign, let's go make a left, please. Ilan?
Isa.
1, 2, 3. Alis na agad yan. Okay, let's go, make a left. No gas sa gitna. Yan, release lang yan. Ayun, no. At the stop sign, let's go, make a right. Straight na tayo, straight na. Kunyari lang yon kasi hinuhuli kita eh. Let's go straight, cancel mo yung third signal mo. Hinuhuli lang kita. So, ibig sabihin nun, awareness yon. Pag nakita mong bike lane, may bike lane, merge muna ako, ganoon. Oh. Sabi ko sa'yo, kailangan mahirap lagi ang lesson natin para pagdating sa exam, madali na lang. Doon sa susunod na kanto, let's go make a right turn, please. Yan. Ibig sabihin, na-check mo na yung bike lane. Okay, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Anong meron? Walang stop sign. Yun. Kailan ka lang hihinto dyan? Kung
Kapag mayroong tao.
may pedestrian crossing. Yes, correct. Okay. Basta pakinggan mo lang yung okay. Please pull into the curb. Ay, hindi, wag na dyan.
Oo, marami.
May trash can. Okay, let's go straight, please. Ilan?
Dalawa.
Oh, dalawa. Okay, let's go straight. Okay, after nitong trash can, let's go pull into the curb. Ano ang titignan mo dyan?
Yung ano.
Yung asfalto, yung line. Dito ka titingin, oh. Just keep it parallel para pag nag-back up ka, susundan na lang yung gulong mo. Okay, anong gagawin mo ulit ngayon? Yan, straighten your steering wheel. Ganunin mo yan, oh. Oh, yan, ganyan. Make sure na ito nakatayo. Okay, let's go back up, please. Oh, anong gagawin mo? Tingin lang sa yan, ganyan lang yan. Okay, let's go back up, please. Yan, oh, tingnan mo lang yan. Oh, pag, pwede mo i-correct yan. Pag lumalapit siya, anong gagawin mo? Oh, stop the car.
Saan na dito?
Kung going into the curb ka, away from the curb. From going out of the curb into the curb. Let's pull out of the curb. Laro. Alright, let's go straight dito, please. Ganda dito, ano?
Oo, ang ganda. Parang pamayaman na ano.
Amerikang Amerika. Oh, anong gagawin natin? Let's go make a right turn. Okay, yield sign. Anong gagawin mo? Stop ka muna. Stop. Look, wala. Let's go. Alam mo kung paano mag U-turn? Gumamit ng ganito, dito. Let's go. U-turn yan, U-turn. Kasi yan, ano yan? Rotonda. Roundabout. Yeah, roundabout. Babalik lang tayo doon. Oh, yan, di ba? That's how to use your roundabout. Let's go straight. Ayan, let's keep going straight. Basta biglain na lang kita. Basta make sure komportable ka nagda-drive. We go straight. Wow, Porsche. Go straight. How many stops?
Dalawa.
Oh, pero pag may ganyan, anong gagawin mo?
Stop mo.
Yan. Ang tawag dyan, awareness. Pag gumalaw ka dyan, bagsak tayo agad. Yeah, let's go straight, please. Oh, hindi ka nag-traffic check. Oh, you have to go. You have to go. Oh, kasi, di ba, reset ka lagi, di ba? Reset to traffic check agad. Kasi nga, may dumaan, nawala yung turn mo. So, ang next mo is traffic check agad. Tignan mo yan. Ayan. Okay. Good yun. Pero, hindi na mo siya tatawid. It's okay.
Tatawid siya.
It's good. Pero tama yun. Tama yung ginawa mo. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, at the stop sign, we make a right turn, please. Alright, keep moving, keep looking lang. Ilang stop yan? Sa inyong dalawa, sino mauna?
Sila.
Let's go na. Sa inyong dalawa, ikaw yan. So make a right. Ikaw mauna dyan kasi turning right ka. Siya turning left. So So yun ang difference. Pareho kayong walang right of way, pero pag ikaw turning right or straight, ikaw mauna. Palaging late. Huli yung ano lagi. Oo, yan, wala kang stop sign there. You have to go kasi siya may stop sign.
Tsaka pa straight ako.
Correct. Yun ang rules and regulations mo. Pagdating ng exam mo, tapos bigla kang nag-stop doon, ibabagsak ka na nila. Okay, dito let's go make a left, please. Yan, papasok tayo ng school zone. Okay, so ano ang speed limit mo dito?
School zone, 20.
Ayan,
Ay,
15 kasi naka-post. Kasi kung anong naka-post, siya yung magiging speed limit mo this time. Okay, we go straight. Alright, let's go. At the stop sign, let's go make a left, please. Left. Ah, wali ka na naman. It's alright. Oh, it's okay. Let's go make a left. It's okay lang. Oh, ang nakikita ko, ano, left and right.
oo, yung
It's ano lang, it's not the turn, yung command. Tanda ko yan, bagsak tayo
hindi
doon.
ako alert.
Okay, at the stop sign, let's go make a right. Let's go make a right. Hindi bale, huwag ka mag-alala kasi 2 times nilang uulitin yun. Oh, yan, 9 and 3 mo. Yan. Let's go straight. Always go to your correct speed. Ayan, 25 na siya ulit kasi wala ka na sa school zone. Ayan. Okay, let's go make a left, please. Ilang stop?
Is dalawa.
Alright. Ang first stop mo, palaging pedestrian yan, crossing. Pag may nakita ka dyan nakatayo, paunahin mo lagi. Pag sinabi nilang, you can go ahead, it means okay na yun, nakita na ng examiner mo yun. Okay, tandaan mo, palaging mahirap ang left turn compared sa right turn. Pag right turn yan, nandiyan ka na agad. Oh, anong gagawin mo? Before you go, traffic check kasi baka may naglalakad. Yan, pahintayin mo yan, alam nila yan sa likod. Hindi sila pwedeng magpusina sa atin. Meron naman traffic light doon eh. So, tap. Traffic check. Wala na. You can go. Let's go. Yellow line lagi. Yan. Diyan ka lagi. Left is to left lagi yan. Let's go straight, please. Parang feeling ko nga magaan yung loob mo sa Mateo. Let's go straight. Maganda yung galaw mo sa Mateo eh. Last time medyo alam mo yun,
Medyo alanganin.
oo, all over the place pa, pero ngayon kita ko yung direction niya, maganda yung driving natin. Ito ang testing ah. Change lane to the right. Tingin lang, no, walang over the shoulder, tingin lang. Are you free? Tingin dito, dito lang. Are you free? Over the shoulder. Front, side mirror, tingin, side, then you change lane. Ganun yon. Pag sinabi sa yung change lane to the right or to the left, huwag kang mag-automatic na titingin sa likod. Dito ka muna titingin kasi dapat makita mo yung mga malalayo. Kasi kadalasan, pag nag-turn signal ka na, yan mag-speed up na yung mga yan, ayaw nilang nasa unahan ka. Kaya ang gagawin mo, turn signal ito, bantayan mo yan. Kaya dito ka muna titingin. Front, side. Pag ito gumagalaw, hintayin mo lang. Pag mabilis siya, slow down ka konti. Pag siya naman mabagal, bilisan mo konti, change lane ka. O, ganun lang yan. Okay, let's go make a right, please. Ano speed limit mo when you're turning left or right?
5 to 10.
Alright, so let's go. Ganun o, tingnan mo. Sige, keep going. O, dapat hindi ganun yung kamay mo. Nagkamali ka sa, ano lang, yung adjustment lang.
May na ba yun?
Meron. Sa sabihin ng examiner mo, steering control, -1. Ang gusto nila kasi makita yung
Proper.
hindi ka nahihirapan. Kasi pag nahihirapan ka, ibig sabihin, kailangan pa mag-practice. Ito ang babantayan mo dito, yung curve na yun, oh. Medyo dikit sa'yo, di ba? Kaya ibig sabihin, mag-left ka ng konti. Yan, left ka ng konti. Yan, dikit sa'yo yan. Okay, let's go. This is another going back. Let's go straight, please. Oh, dito ka lang. Red means
Stop.
maganda yung takbo mo. Awareness na lang pinag-uusapan. Kasi ang awareness kasi, kung minsan walang sasakyan, walang tao, biglang magkakatao, biglang magkakasasakyan. So yun ang number 1 na tinitingnan ng examiner. Doon ka nahuhuli. Usually ng mga bumabagsak, doon nahuhuli kasi hindi sila nagta-traffic check. Kailangan talaga, pag nag-traffic check ka, tumitingin ka talaga. Okay, let's go straight. Let's go straight, please. This is going back to DMV. Kanina doon sa likod. This time we're going back sa harap. Okay, at the corner, let's go make a left, please. Okay, no. Dito ka muna. Okay. Always slow down to 5. Oh, mabilis yan. Always, number 1, speed. Always go down to around 10. 5 to 10.
Kapag mag-10 ka, 5 to 10.
5 to 10. Always slow down or else magugulat yung examiner. Matatakot yun. Okay. Ito naman, going back to DMV to. Still, hindi ka pa safe dito. Okay, let's go make a left. Always follow your lane. Always slow down. But don't stop, don't stop. Only go to your correct lane. Ayan, oh. Okay, let's go make a right, please. Let's go make a right. Ano speed limit mo dito?
5 to 10.
5 to 10. Alright, let's go. At the corner, let's go make a left. Another left, please. Watch out for the curb. Okay, please park the car. Dire-diretso ka.
Mag-10 signal pa?
Yeah, dapat third signal muna. Palagi indicate yan. How do you park your car properly? Sige lang. Number 1, diretso mo yung manubela mo. Dito pa yan, dito sa kabila. Yan. And then, park. Sige, isa pa. Palaging ending ito eh. Ito, tignan mo, wala pang nakalagay doon. So you have to step on the brakes and then pull it up. Ayun. Once na yon, mayroon ng park dyan, properly park ka na. Okay, ano to? Turn left kaya? Paano mo babasahin yan?
Kaya nga walang ano.
Yung traffic
Traffic.
light. So,
Pag
ang
green.
ano lang ang ano lang check mo dyan?
Yung yelled on green.
Yes, kung meron bang arrow or wala. Yun lang ang titignan mo dyan. Pag wala kang arrow, it means lahat ng nandyan, they go first. Yung mga mag-straight papunta dito at mag-right. Yan, oh. Pero you can go na. You can go in the middle. Yan, dito lang. Okay na yan, dito ka. Okay, tapos pwede kayo magsabay nung isa. Let's go make a left na. Yan, pwede na kayo magsabay nun. Always left is to left. Huwag mong bibilisan. Now,
In
diba?
half a mile, turn left
Tamang
onto Airport Boulevard.
ikot lang, timing lang talaga yon. Kasi pag hindi mo ita-timing yun, it's either mag-over or under. Yan lang yun. Galing na, oh. Mateo lang pala magpapatino sa left and right mo. Sa ano kasi sa daily, yung left and right sa daily, puro palagi may pataas at pababa. Kaya keep right. Kaya keep moving. Green pa yan. Keep moving. Yan, keep moving. Correct lane. Nandito ka sa first lane, so you have to follow your yellow light na. Oh, tamo, ano na yan? Freeway na. Going to the freeway na ulit. And this time, it's
60? 50
Go
lang?
past
Okay
50
lang.
the
up to
Then at the
65.
next one, use the left
This
two
time,
lanes to turn onto
araw.
Airport Boulevard.
Before gabi. Oh, tingnan mo yung red light. Always correct lanes, correct distance. Yan. Uy, may hindi humihinga. Okay, so nakakita na ba kayo ng taong hindi humihinga sa freeway? Yan, hindi humihinga pero nagda-drive. Hinga ka na malalim, ha? Okay, let's go straight, please. Kaya, man.
Yung kamay ko malamig na naman.
Let's go straight, please. To think na mainit sa Mateo.
Oo.
Oh, keep left. Okay,
At the
another.
light,
Keep
use
left.
the left two
Slow
lanes to
down.
turn
Slow
onto
down. Tingnan
Airport
mo yung mga curve
Boulevard.
mo.
Then turn
Brakes
left
ka
to merge
dito.
onto US 101 North.
Not to stop, but to slow down lang. To slow down. Okay, brakes ka lang dyan. Pero wag ka mag-stop. Yan. Oh, slowing down lang yan. Let's go straight, please. Palaging ganun. If you brake, you don't stop. You slow down lang. Use
At the
your
light,
brakes.
turn left to merge onto US 101 North.
Dito, we're going to make a left. Ayan, oh. Madali na yan kasi may arrow ka. May green arrow. It means you take it. Oh, pero you have to
Saan
turn
left
signal.
dito, ay?
Oo. Pag ito, left is to left doon. Check mo yung lane mo dito. May yellow line, di ba? Pagdating mo doon, yellow line din yung pupunta mo. Ibig sabihin, lane 1 is to lane 1 lang yan. I-guide mo lang siya. Igaganyan mo lang yan, oh. I-guide mo lang, ganun. Let's go. Let's go, guide mo lang. Oh, yan. Then, adjust mo yan. 993 ka, 993. Yan. Hindi ka laging hindi ka laging maghahanap overhand. Oh, you have to go at least 30 dito. Okay, ang kailangan mo malaman yung gano'n, yung konti-konti. Let's go. It's okay, it's okay. Let's go straight. Oh, turn signal to the left. Once na itong yellow na to, nag-white, turn signal to the left. Okay, check side mirror lang. Do not go to the middle, ha. Keep right tayo, keep right. Sige, keep right. In lang side mirror, keep right. Dito lang tayo sa right side. Oh, keep moving. Oh, yung speed mo, you have to go 50. You have to go 50.
In
Sige
5
lang,
miles,
it's alright.
take the exit to merge
It's
onto
alright.
I-380 West
Oh.
and I-280.
Now, yung lane mo nag-merge na. Oh, keep 50 lang. Below is not allowed. Dapat may speed ka, may normal minimum speed limit and may maximum speed limit. Minimum mo is maximum 65. Yan. Tapos hindi ka pwedeng mag-drive side by side with another car kasi nasa blind spot kayo pareho, hindi mo makikita yung mga sasakyan sa side mirrors. Okay, so ang gagawin mo, is palaging ganyan, no? It's either nauna siya, nasa likod ka, ikaw nauna siya nasa likod. Alright, seryoso siya. We go straight. Yan. Kaya pag maglalasot tayo ulit, ikaw na rin magdadala dito. Kaya 2-in-1 ka. Freeway, driving lessons, o 3-in-1 kasi meron ka pang preparing for the exam. Ganun lang yun. Pag Mateo ka pupunta. Sa daily kasi may lang yung freeway mo doon. Pupunta ka lang na yan, yung pauwi na lang sa inyo. Dito, marunong ka na pumunta ng airport. Kasi ito airport to. Keep moving. Front, side lang yan. Okay, keep moving. Tingin ulit. Wala? Okay, keep looking. Front, side. Front, side. Yan. Oh. Let's go. Cancel na yan kasi hindi ka naman change lane. Diba? Ano ang lifeline mo? Ito ang safety mo lagi. Huwag kang gagalaw ng may sasakyan dyan. Ganun din sa doon sa side street. Pag may sasakyan dyan, malapit, dapat you have to know if it's malapit or malayo.
Sa panga.
Oo naman. Mamaya, bibigyan kita ng marami. Keep going straight lang. Keep your car in the middle. Isa rin yan. Isa rin yan sa keep your speed limit. Let's go straight. Marami pa yan. Sa tandaan mo, number 1, tingnan mo, meron kang sasakyan. Pero don't panic kasi nasa sarili, meron kayong lane pareho. Dito ka konti sa kabila.
In 2 miles, take the exit to merge onto I-380 West toward
Okay, go
I-280.
straight. Huwag kang mag-slow down ng below 50. Keep your car in the middle all the time. Airport. Pwede ka na maghatid sundo dyan. Pauwi kami. Hatid ko kayo. Marunong ka na pumunta ng airport. Ayan, pupunta siya sa lane mo. So it's okay lang. It's okay. Dito lang tayo. Keep your distance palagi kasi palagi kang may braking distance. Ayan, lalapas na. Okay, let's go straight. Mamaya mag-change ulit tayo. Look at your speed. Sige lang, nagka-curve yan, di ba? Nagsuswerve. Ikot ka lang, swerve ka lang kasama ng lane mo. Micro adjustments. Ayan. Huwag mo intindihin yung mga nasa left and right mo. As long as nasa gitna ka ng sasakyan ng lane mo, as long as nasa correct lane ka, okay ka dyan. Hindi ka naman nila. It's okay.
Stay in the second or third lane from right.
Alright, so nasa correct lane ka. Mag-exit tayo doon sa may San Bruno, pero it's still good. Correct lane na to. Mag-aano lang tayo mag-exit. Okay, let's go. Look at your lane. Nice! Ganyan ganyan siya dapat. Hindi ka pwedeng sumabay sa kanya. It's either ikaw yan or siya to.
Use the right 2 lanes
Okay,
to take
let's
the
go
exit
exit. Turn signal to the right lang.
toward I-280.
Wala ka ibang gagawin kundi follow your lane. Kasi solid white yan, hindi ka pwedeng enter ka lang dito kasi ito exit mo. Still follow your lane. Pag hindi change lane, huwag kang aalis yan. Okay, cancel. Let's go straight, please. Dire-diretso. Pag ganyan, off the gas lang yan. Pag nag-off the gas ka, ilalagay mo yung paa mo sa brakes. Pero not to brake. Huwag kang mag-brake. Okay, let's go straight. Keep moving. Yan, bumagal ka na, di ba? Keep your speed lang. Keep moving. Kasi curve lang yan, kaya medyo mag-slow down ka. Pero pag nakuha mo na yung angle niya, you keep moving lang. Okay. Tingnan mo, kalalampas dyan. Basta walang abrupt left or right. And palagi minor corrections lang. Change lane na tayo ha. Nakiti ka na naman. Huwag kang mag-slow down kasi okay, change lane to the left. Signal lang, tingin lang, meron? Okay, keep looking. Front side, keep moving.
In 1 mile, take exit 5A to merge onto I-280 North.
All you have to look front. Basta side, front. Huwag ka lalampas dyan. Yung speed mo, huwag mo pababayaan. 50 miles per hour. Ano ba yung 50 miles? 80 kilometers per hour. Yabang yun. Slow down ka lang, tignan mo, hindi mo siya pwede sabayan. Yan, ganyan ang proper distance. Keep going
Use
straight.
the right 3 lanes to take exit 5A to merge onto I-280 North toward San Francisco.
Okay, huminga ka na ha. Yung speed mo, keep going straight. Just follow your lane. Follow your lane. Basta magre-react ka lang. Pag mga swerving na ganyan, off the gas ka. Yan, off the gas, pero don't brake. Pag nakapasok na yan, you put gas again. Yan, oh.
Take the exit.
Parang yung kino-compensate mo yung turn and your speed. Hindi pwedeng mabilis yung speed mo pag nagto-turn ka, or else masusobran mo yung ikot mo. Parang yan, tingnan mo. Sharp curve ang tawag dyan. Saan mo lalagay paa mo? Brakes. You brake a bit, pero not to stop. Just to slow down lang. Okay, now, pag nakita mo na yung rest of the way, then you can put gas na ulit. Kasi may maintain mo yung speed limit mo na naman. Okay. Keep your lane lang. Keep your lane.
In 3.7 miles, take exit 47 to merge onto CA1 toward Pacifica.
Kuya, nakikita ko
Congratulations! Congratulations! Kasi, ganda na yung driving natin. Practice lang talaga yan. At saka, at the same time, gagawin mo lang talaga siya. Kasi kung takot kang gawin, hindi mo maumpisahan. You have to go for it lang.
Face your fear.
Face your fear. Fear your face. Go straight, please. Yan na lang yan. Okay, ang number one na focus mo is yung pag binigyan ka ng left or right, you have to really listen na para hindi ka nagkakamali. Okay, ang exit natin is Pacifica. So, Eastmore din yun. Ayan parang ganyan. Saan mo ilalagay ang paa mo? Brakes. If you need to slow down, mararamdaman mo yan eh. Pero wag sudden yung brakes mo. Parang dampian mo lang. Just enough para makuha mo yung proper na speed mo. Kasi pag inapakan mo talaga yan, mawawala na yung speed mo. Mag-build up ka na naman. Go straight. Ito merging yan, oh. Pag merging yan, you keep left. Huwag kang pupunta sa gitna. You keep left lang. Kasi pag galing ka doon, ikaw naman you keep right. Let's go straight. Yan. Maganda dito para ma-practice mo rin yung mga mergings. Ayun, mergings yan. Ibig sabihin, you have to pick a car to follow. Hindi ka pwede makipagsabayan dyan. Pick a car to follow, dapat ganyan lagi yan. Either ikaw nasa harap or ikaw nasa... Let's keep going straight. Left.
In 2
Keep
miles,
left lang.
take exit 47 to
Yeah,
merge onto
left.
CA1 toward Pacifica.
Tingnan mo, 60 ka na, oh. Uy, nag-100 na siya, oh.
Yabang mo.
Ang yabang na niya, oh. Okay, pag curve, have to watch out. That is 60 miles per hour. Okay. Just go straight. Alright. Ang ating exit is Eastmore. Ayan, oh. Mga kachuki. Angelica and the freeway. Oh, yabang na niya, oh. Dati hindi humihinga yan. Ngayon, nakangiti na, oh. Ngayon, nakangiti na. Dati hindi humihinga yan. Blue na ang kulay niya. Congrats. Alright. So, exit na natin yan. Anong gagawin mo? Turn signal ka lang dyan. Turn signal to the right. Okay, kasi mag-exit right ka. Ito na yung pick a car to follow na sinasabi natin. Okay, dito ka lang. Hindi ka na mag-merge doon. Just keep your lane lang. Kung tayo papasok sa mga... Oh, slow down din ka dito. Pick a car to follow. Follow mo siya. Follow mo lang. Follow mo lang yan. Okay, that's it. Follow lang yan. Kasi, bibigay mo lang yan. Okay, ito yung exit mo. Okay, let's go make a right. Let's go make a right. Ayan, let's go straight this time. Kasi Pacifica ang pasok mo. Ayan, keep moving, keep moving.
Merge onto CA1 south toward Pacifica.
Ayan, cancel turn signal. Ayan, pag sinabing ganyan, you have to slow down pero not to stop. Off the gas lang yan, off the gas. Please don't forget to subscribe.
The destination is on your right.
Consider subscribing.
889 Skyline Drive.
And all.
Arrive.
Yan, oh. Then, doon ka sa ano, parking, kunyari, nag-park ka. Keep it straight. Yan, dito pa. Oh, pull up yan, pull up. Yan, that's it. Very nice.